Today I'm going to go over the header gallery and the new feature of the alternate header gallery. Up here at the top you will see what your minimum size for your images need to be for your header gallery. This is going to be different on every district, so you will need to log in and go to your header gallery to see what your specific size is. Mine here is 1920 by 540. We always recommend that you go a little bit larger than that for it to work appropriately. What you will do is you're going to then click on the image crop tool. You're going to click on choose file, and this will take you to your file manager. You can select an image that you have there, or you can also go in and click on add files to be able to add one from your desktop. So I can come in here, select on a specific image that I might want to use. I can then come in here and scroll to whatever part of this image I want to use. I can crop this down a little bit, and I can come then and go click on next. You do not have to put a caption in here. The caption would show up on the live site if you did add one. The alternative text does not show up on the live site, but that is required for ADA compliance, so that screen readers can read that information and describe that image to someone that might be visually impaired. I can now go in and I can select if I want this to go on a specific header gallery besides the district. I want to just leave this on the district, so I'm going to go ahead and click Save. And that image then is going to be in my rotation. I can always drag these in any order that I want those to be in. It's going to automatically save that order then. The newest feature is the View Alternate Header Gallery. And this is where you can go and maybe you have a school closing, or there's an emergency, or you have something important that is coming up and you want to have that be on your header gallery. This is an area that will overwrite your typical header gallery and just show those specific images for a specific period of time. So when you come to this page at the very top here, you'll see that it says District Header Gallery Alternate. Right now it is inactive. I don't have that set up. So I can come down here. Again, you have your width and your height. I can click Image Crop Tool. Select my image that I want to use. I'm going to click Next. Again, you don't have to put a caption. Alternative text is required. Again, I could select if you have the correct permissions to be able to add that onto other buildings. I'm going to go ahead and just do it on the district and click Save. Then I can come down here and I can select the start time and end time. So I can select today, and I want that to end maybe on Saturday at 7 in the morning. I'm going to do Save Start and End Times. As that refreshes, you'll then see up here back at the top, this now says Active. So I'm going to have my image that shows up here. When I come out to my live site, if I refresh my page, there's that image that's going to be my alternate header gallery. On Saturday at 7 o'clock in the morning, as I had it set, this image is going to go off of the website, and your old header gallery will continue to rotate through with those images. If you decide you want to disable that before then, you can simply come back into the CMS. You can do Disable this gallery. It's going to then show you that it is inactive. And then next time that you want to do this, you can simply just do your new start and end time. Click Save Start and End Times, and that will activate that again. If you want to use the same image, you can most definitely do that, or you can delete the image and add a new image for that appropriate time. This concludes the training over the header gallery. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact support at support@schoolpoint.com. Have a wonderful day.